Shark Navigator Liftaway Professional NV356E Shark Navigator Liftaway Professional. A lightweight 2-in-1 liftaway upright vacuum with a detachable canister for portable cleaning power. With the push of a button, liftaway technology allows you to lift the canister away and easily clean in hard-to-reach areas. This vacuum is also equipped with a completely sealed system and a HEPA filter to trap dust and allergens. It also includes a brush roll shut-off button so you can easily switch between carpet and bare floor cleaning. Do not force into outlet or try to modify to fit.